Hello everybody, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to talk about application of Laplace transformation to solve differential equations. So, if you have a differential equation, suppose you have this differential equation of first order, right? Then it is accompanied with an initial condition, right? To find out the constant of integration, why not, right? And if you have a second order differential equation, say fxy, then you have two constant of integrations, so you will have two initial conditions, right? For example, you can have this and you can have this, and instead of these initial conditions you can also have boundary conditions. Suppose you want to solve the problem on the domain AB, then you may have these conditions: y of A is known and y at B is known, right? So such a problem, when initial conditions are given, this is called an initial value problem. And such problem, when boundary conditions are given along with the differential equation, this is called a boundary value problem, right? So we will see both type of these equations, like initial value problems and boundary value problems, how we can solve using Laplace transformation. So that is the idea of this video. So here I have taken this differential equation: y double dash plus 2y dash minus 3y is equal to 3, and y of 0 is 4, y dash 0 is minus 7. So already you must know some methods to solve it, but here we will see how we can use Laplace transformation to solve it. So this is, you see, because the initial condition, the conditions are given at 0, so both the conditions are given at the initial point, so this is an initial value problem, right? So you take this equation and then you take Laplace transform on both sides, so you will get Laplace transform of y double dash plus 2y dash minus 3y is equal to Laplace transform of 3. Now you can use the linearity property of Laplace transform, so this will be L of y double dash plus 2 L of y dash minus 3 L of y is equal to L of 3. Right, now you can use this the formula for Laplace transform of y double derivative, that is s square f of s minus y s into y of 0, right, minus y dash 0. Here you again use this will be s into f of s minus y of 0 minus L of y, we are calling it as f of s, right? It's your choice. If you don't want to call it, you just keep it L of y as such. So this is equal to 3 by s, because L of 3 will be 3 by s. So where we are calling f of s, we are calling L of y as f of s. And our aim is to find out y. Now you see, these are given to you, y dash 0 and y0. y0 is given to you as 4. This is minus 7. Right, so now what you do, you combine these terms containing f of s, so you'll get s square plus 2s minus 3 f of s, right? Then you have minus 4s plus 7, here you have 4, so minus 8, fine, is equal to 3 by s. So you get s square plus 2s minus 3 f of s is equal to 3 by s, this is plus 4s plus 1, right? So this will be 3 plus 4s square plus s upon s. So you get f of s is equal to 4s square plus s plus 3 divided by s into s square plus 2s minus 3. Fine. Now you want to find out, this is equal to L of y. Now you take Laplace inverse because you want to find out y. So you will get y is equal to L inverse 4s square plus s plus 3 upon s into s square plus 2s minus 3. Right, now the only task left is you have to find out this Laplace inverse. So I am using here, I can write it as L inverse of 4s square plus s plus 3 divided by s into this, you can make the fractions, I'm sorry, this is okay, just okay, now you can make this the fractions here. So this is your 4s square plus s plus 3 divided by s, this is your s plus 3, s minus 1. Now you can make the partial fractions, you can write it as a upon s plus b upon s plus 3 plus c upon s minus 1. Now you just find out the values of a and b and c, you'll get a is equal to minus 1, b is equal to 2, c is equal to 3. So you get this is equal to L inverse of minus 1 upon s plus 2 upon s plus 3 plus 3 upon s minus 1. Now you can separate it. So this is equal to y because we have y here after taking Laplace inverse. So this is equal to the Laplace inverse here is -1 plus 2 e raised to power minus 3x plus 3 e raised to power x. So this is the solution. Fine. So this is how you solve the differential equation using Laplace transformation, and here your equation was an initial value problem. Now let us look at that boundary value problem. So you have a differential equation y double dash plus 9y is equal to 1, and y of 0 is 0 and y of pi by 2 is 1. So you have to solve it using Laplace transformation, right? So let us do this. So again the idea is same, take Laplace transformation on both sides. So if you take Laplace transform on both sides, then you will have L y double dash plus 9y is equal to L of 1. Right, now you use the formula here. So this will be L y double dash, linearity property here, plus 9 L of y is equal to L of 1 is 1 by s. Now this is your s square f of s minus s y dash 0 minus y of 0, right, plus 9 f of s is equal to 1 by s. Fine. Okay, now the thing is, this is given to you as 0, but this is not given to you, not given. So what you can do, but you know that this is a constant, so you assume this constant as you can assume it something like, you say this is a, right? So you assume this constant to be a, right? Then you have s square f of s minus as plus 9 f of s is equal to 1 by s. Then you have s square plus 9 f of s is equal to 1 by s minus as plus as. Fine. So you have as here. Now what you can do, you can just, I'm sorry, here I have written this formula wrong. Here you will have y of 0 and here you will have y dash 0, right? So this is not known and this is 0, right? So you will have, you don't have s here, right, because s was this with y of 0, that is 0, right? So this you don't have, this is, this term is 0, so you don't have this s here. Okay, fine. Now your f of s is 1 upon s into s square plus 9 plus a upon s square plus 9, right? Now you can just, because we want to find out y, so this is L of y. Now you take inverse, so you'll get y is equal to L inverse of 1 upon s into s square plus 9 plus L inverse of a upon s square plus 9, right? So what you can do here, you can make partial fraction. So you have L inverse of 1 upon s minus s upon s square plus 9 and 1 by 9 outside plus a outside. You can multiply with 3 and you can divide with 3 to make the formula for sin x. So this is 1 by 9, L inverse of 1 by s is 1, minus this is cos 3x plus a by 3, this is your sin 3x. This is equal to y. Now we need to find out what is this a, right? So for that you are given that y of pi by 2 is 1. Y of pi by 2 is 1. So from there you can just put the values. 1 is equal to 1 by 9, 1 minus cos of 3 pi by 2 plus a by 3 sine of 3 pi by 2. Now this is minus 1 and this is 0. So you get 1 minus 1 by 9 is equal to a by 3 into minus 1. This gives you 8 by 9 is equal to minus a by 3. So your a takes the value minus 8 by 3. Therefore, your solution becomes y is equal to 1 by 9, 1 minus cos 3x minus 8 by 9, sin 3x, right? So this is how you solve the initial value problems and boundary value problems using Laplace transformation. Thank you for watching our video. Please do share and subscribe, and also you can join our channel for paid membership. We have 3 plans, 59, 89 and 119, right? For this you have these 3 live sessions in a month, and for this you have 3 live sessions plus 1 video of your own choice. You can send us the topic and we will create a video in a week and we will send you back, or we'll upload on our channel. And plus in this 119 you will have your own PDF notes for a particular playlist. You can go into the join button, you can click the button and you will have detailed information about that, right? And this money, this will not only help you, but it will also help us to create this quality mathematics content for everybody, right? So we are creating these videos for free, and we want that everybody should have a quality mathematics education. So whatever you are contributing, it is kind of donation also. It will be, it will help us in scaling up our channel for more videos, and we will try to cover as much as topics as possible. Thank you for your support. Please share this video and keep supporting. Thank you.